गणपती बाप्पाला सेलिब्रेशन्स तुम्ही पळयता आसाची मिगलोट्टू MP पूनम महाजन राव ma'am from since how many years are you coming here and how do you feel after seeing Ganpati Bappa?
See, I'm 41 years old. Women don't tell their age. But I'm lucky that for past 41 years, many times, I have come to take blessing from Bappa here. And I was born and brought up in Chembur, so it was very much connected. Now with work, I come here and I always been taking blessings, always asked Bappa to just, we always say Sukha Karta, Dukha Harta. So all dukh should be out of everybody's lives. Most importantly, what I like coming here for is, when you come to take blessings from God, if there is nothing organized, it gets too difficult for you because it's a spiritual connect with God. But GSB Seva Mandal does such a fabulous planning for years and years and years, which makes you believe you're close to God. It's not like you've come here, it's not been organized, you can't even connect with God. That is the speciality of the Mandal, and I'm grateful to the Mandal. They've always been giving me that love and support.
Thank you so much and all the best for the future years.
Thank you so much.